Hello and welcome to NexgenBots.com. So at NexgenBots, we build Alexa skills, bots, web applications, and contact center. Now, noteworthy is all these services are built on cloud on a serverless methodology, meaning that as a customer, you don't have to buy any hardware or procure any software licenses for any of the services that we provide at NexgenBots.com. So today we thought of demonstrating one of our Alexa skills that we built as a project, and this skill tells a story. So after invoking the skill, you can ask Alexa to read out the titles of the stories which are available. And in case you miss listening to any of the titles, you can obviously ask her to repeat. You can choose a story from the list. You can also ask Alexa to choose a story for you. And the stories are not repeated in the same session. And for any Alexa skill that we build, we have help, cancel, stop built in. We've also used a bit of SSML, which is speech synthesis markup language. So this gives you more control on the text to speech, where you can inject emotions based on the context of the use case. And you can see a glimpse of it when we do the demo as part of this presentation. The other thing that I was thinking is that you might think, hey, this is a very simple use case, which is true. We wanted to keep it simple for the demo, but it really has all the foundation, the building blocks, and all the elements to deliver any complicated use case that you might imagine on a device like Alexa. So let's take a brief look on the architecture. Now, purposefully, I've left out many components which I've used for the actual software, but I've just laid out four major components which we have used from AWS. On the left-hand side, you have Alexa skill, which has the intent, slots, utterances, basically gives inputs to the natural language understanding and the speech recognition modules. So that then hands off to Lambda function, which is the event-driven compute engine from AWS, and it is handshaked with API gateway. API gateway has been mainly used for security because it has the ability to lock down the resources on the backend. So for instance, in this case, we have locked down access to only the tables which has the stories. So you cannot access anything else in that Dynamo database. The other central point that I wanted to mention is Lambda. So Lambda, as I was mentioning, is an event-driven compute engine, which means that you can invoke any other services within AWS, within that cloud platform, and also from outside. So you can do a REST call, and to fulfill your use case, you can have services from outside deliver results, and you can integrate those results with your own to deliver functionality on the front end. So let's do the demo next. Story, please.
Good afternoon. My name is Alexa, the magical lady. You can choose from the list of stories or ask Alexa to choose one. Please say, from the list, or say, you choose.
From the list.
There are 8 stories for Sophia. Story number 1, The Lion and the Mouse. 2, The Wolf and the Lamb. 3, A Merchant and the Donkey. 4, Unhelpful Friends.
Story number 1.
Story number 1. The name of the story is The Lion and the Mouse. Here is how it goes. Once when a lion, the king of the jungle, was asleep, a little mouse began running up and down on him.
Alexa, you choose.
Story chosen by Alexa. Story number 7. The name of the story is The Greedy Mouse. Here is how it goes. A greedy mouse saw a basket full of corn. He wanted to eat it.
Can you repeat the titles of the story?
Okay, I will repeat the list again. There are 8 stories for Sophia. Story number 1, The Lion and the Mouse. 2,
Alexa, help.
My name is Alexa. I would like to tell you a story. Please listen to the list of the stories and choose the story number, or you can ask me.
Alexa, stop now.
Goodbye, Sophia. Thank you for using Alexa Story application.
So that concludes the demo. Thanks for watching.